friends, welcome back to my channel. Rekha this side. How are you all? So today I am going to share with you with my new tutorial that is a pole pattern. Okay, that is a pole pattern. Okay, so this video is going to be little bit long because I'm going to do the measurement in front of you people, so you would be easily able to learn. Okay, so please, if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. So now I'm going to start our tutorial. Okay, so firstly you have to take your roller scale and measure 6 centimeter. Okay, 0 and 6, and after that you have to divide scale 1.5 centimeter. After that you have to measure 3. Okay, then you have to measure 60 centimeter line. Just we are not going to do anything with this line, I'm just pointing this. Okay, now see what I am going to do. Now from the 3 you have to point out the 3 centimeter. Okay, so this is our, we have to like this. Clear? Now what you have to do, you have to take your color. Okay, and now I'm taking magenta color. You have to put your scale here. Okay, and then from your, okay, is it okay? Now we have to make R. Okay, we have to draw one line also, just for make sure. Okay, only lightly. And you have to okay, now we are going to create R. Okay, For the idea, I just line here, okay, and then yeah. Now we are going to make B. Roller gap you have to take. Now B is again we have to clear. Like this you can make your own, okay, so you can make your own character of the pole pattern, okay. In description box you can download all the letters, okay, so you can make it yourself. And then how to create the shell. Before that you have to erase all the lines, okay. Now you have to take your scale and then you will measure 90, okay, and then you have to make so now our pole pattern is done. So guys, I hope you like this video. I hope you like this tutorial, and please, if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.